It's Ford against Chevy in the first race of modified production. Michael Gardner's 85 Stang is pitted against Dave Henninger's 71 Z28, which is stroked to 391 cubes. Mike won Saturday's D-modified production class, but it looks like a red light this time. T.D. Holland, Leland's brother, is up next in his own AMX, a 68 model with a 390. Next to him is Gary Turner with his show class winning 72 Olds 442. Gary red lights and automatically gives the win to TD. Two heavy hitters up next, Jim Turner's Stage 2 70 GS Buick versus Dick Lowry's Big Block 70 Chevelle. Now Jim has a rare set of heavy breathing Buick heads on his car, while Dick has a custom made Ram Air setup. The matchup is close, and the Chevelle wins. A pair of Chevys are next. Ed Bendel's 67 467 Camaro is pitted against Tony Vaughn's 395 72 Nova, an A-class versus a B-class car. Look out, Tony red lights giving the win to the Camaro. Now here's something of a mystery. Danny Voss didn't write down the engine size for his 80 Malibu. On the other hand, Tim Hafner's 70 Buick GS is 462 cubic inches. Whoa, big time red light from the Malibu. A couple of dodges. Tim Davis's 71 340 Demon against Kirk Manuel's 70 440 Challenger. Now Tim won yesterday's CMP class, but both get good reaction times. The cubes come on strong as Kirk takes the win. The AMP winner from the Milan event, Chuck Weck, has put yes as the horsepower rating for his 462 80Z28. He's next to Brian Hampton in a 350-powered 71 Nova. They launch, and it appears that Chuck has broken something as he shuts down and coasts. Two Camaros up next. Ed Bendel's 467 cubic inch 67 against Dave Henninger's 391 71 Z28. Confused? Doesn't matter, because Dave red lights. One of the fastest AMXs around, T.D. Holland's 390 68 is facing Kirk Manuel's lethal 440 Challenger. A longtime bracket and NMCA racer, T.D. nails the tree with his usual precision, but Kurt's cubes charge from the rear and overtake him. The big 72 Buick GS from Collinsville, Illinois is being driven by Tim Hafner, while the Chevelle SS is Richard Lowry's, last year's world champion. 462 versus 461 cubes respectively. Good reaction times on both, but the Chevelle breaks the beams first.